Conversation. Good morning, Chandan. How are you? How your day is shaping up?
Yeah, ma'am, my day is going on well,
Uh-huh.
and I was very excited for connecting with you because, as you mentioned before, time you have been out of your city, right?
Yes, yes. I was actually for the trip.
Okay,
Some vacation actually going on, and my kids are insisting us that let's go out for a trip. So we have decided and just pack our bag and went outside for trip.
okay. So may I know,
Mm.
ma'am, where did you go? In which place?
Yes, we went to Uttarakhand Tiri Dam.
Oh,
It was fabulous place, and I would suggest you should also explore that world because it was mesmerizing and radiant, full of peace and
mm.
compose. You feel always like you are in the heaven. Yes, so tell me, Chandan, have you not planned to go anywhere, like to your native place, anywhere?
Nowadays I'm not making any plan for visiting a different kinds of places, but
Mm-hmm.
because summer season is going on. Nowadays, I'm having very heavy temperature, so it's quite difficult for go out of my house
Mm-hmm.
to any places because I'm
Mm-hmm.
the elder in my family and taking all responsibility of to
Mm-hmm.
maintain all these things. So that's why.
So if I ask you, Chandan, one thing, we were just talking about the responsibilities, right?
Yeah,
And you said that you are the eldest one in your family, right? So if
yeah,
I ask you responsibility, what that first word comes in your brain to describe responsibility?
yeah. My mind, the first word come into my mind like taking responsibility. That is mean. This is my priority first to
Okay.
take caring of all the member, especially including of a family member and as well as caring about someone also. Right.
Yes.
This is called
Yes.
responsibility according to me.
Mm,
Right.
absolutely, precisely. I totally agree with you. Responsibility is that you are actually you confine yourself into the wall of responsibility, and you have that invisible burden or for your family to taken care of it, right? Let's talk about the habit. What kind of a habit we should incorporate in a day-to-day life to boost up or to level up English communication skill.
Hmm.
Right. So,
Yeah.
according to you, if I ask you, according to you, what is your 2 cent on that, and what would be your first habit to level up your communication skill?
Yeah, ma'am. According to me, my first habit of level up my spoken English, like maintain continuity. This is
Mm-hmm.
a very, you can say, what I say, very important habit, for
Mm-hmm.
the learner, especially in
Mm-hmm.
initial time. Initial times, if you establishing some habit like maintain your continuity towards
Mm-hmm.
any kinds of particular goal of your life, so it is a certainty at the past, at the engagement of time, you must get achieve whatever you want in your life. So
Mm-hmm.
establishing the habit, okay, to maintain continuity, it's a priority of all the learner. Okay.
Okay. Continuity, that means you are saying that consistency is the key of success to learn this language. First habit
Yeah.
is this. Yeah, okay. I totally agree with you. But yes, absolutely. But one thing I was just thinking about it, before we jump for any kind of a habit in English, we need to analyze the level. What is the level of our English, right? There are three type of a level: beginner, intermediate, and advanced one. We need to analyze it, that only we can act upon, right? I have a small a technique
Yeah. Yeah.
by which we can understand the level of English, right? For the beginner level, you need to take a storybook, any storybook. You can go with it, the first grade, second grade, right? Try to read it. If you can be able to understand 80%, that means you are on the beginner level. Storybook class first, right? And
Yeah.
big now the second one is intermediate level. Try to listen the speech, right? Listen speech, English speech, any of your choices, but it should be for the native speaker, right, from the native speaker mouth. Try to
Yeah.
listen it. If you can be able to understand 80%, that means you are on your intermediate level, right? And now
Yeah.
comes to the advanced one. Now take a newspaper, any newspaper, in English newspaper, you can take Times of India, Hindu, any of your choices, and read it. Any article, try to read it and understand it. Try to understand. If you are understanding 80%, that means you are on the advanced level. So try to analyze first your level, then accordingly act upon. Right.
Yeah, ma'am, you're right. Yeah,
So tell
you're
me,
right.
so tell me, according to you, what would be the second habit to level up our English?
Second habit by listening, ma'am, because
Yes.
listening is a must requirement things. Without listening and comprehensive or any kinds of meaning of sentence, how could you reply? So
Hmm.
it's a challenge for the beginner for understanding the someone's statement, because every people are not equally giving all the statement according to the better performance, right? You have to
Mm-hmm.
understand without completing the full sentence. You have to grab the meaning, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that
Yes,
is
yes.
mean communication skills, and which kinds of sense you will get after having the better experience of listening any kinds of a speech, right?
Totally, totally, totally agree with you. Listening play a very utmost role here because listening is, or we can say another way, listening is a passive learning also because we are only listening it, right? We are
Yeah,
listening it and we are just giving us a kind of a work, a kind of a exercise to our brain, right? We are not
yeah,
speaking, we are just focusing on the listening skill. So I would say that would, we can say passive learning also,
yes, ma'am. That's why
right?
I always prefer myself also. First we should be listening a lot,
Mm-hmm.
like a various kinds of way the people have a created sentence. So
Mm-hmm.
if you are sufficient to having the meaning of all of these sentence, so you are
Mm-hmm.
consuming the better senses, right?
Mm-hmm.
To understanding
Yeah.
the people and according to their levels, you can giving the appropriate replies. The people can
Yes, yes.
understand yours, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Like I told you that we have lot. We first we need to analyze our level. Similarly, we have lot of skills. We have talked a lot about the skills. LSR and W. That skill. But the thing is that again you need to analyze only one skill. Focus on one skill on one time. Don't go with a lot of skill. Don't amalgamate all these things together. Otherwise, it will cook like a khichdi. So go with only one. So go with one skill that would be actually fruitful for us. So what do you have to say about reading skill? Most of the people always emphasis on the reading. So what is your take on that?
Yeah, according to you, ma'am, like reading is still, it's up to you, like how you can make interesting these kinds
Mm-hmm.
of journey into life. I
Mm-hmm.
have seen like the people have randomly chooses very difficult novels and etc. But
Uh-huh.
and after increasement of time, they lost their interest because of having difficulties and very hard vocabulary, which is out of their
Huh.
capacity, right? So first we have to choose, very very common, storybooks that would
Yes.
giving a plenty, I mean, tremendous feeling during learning. It would giving us as an enjoyment. So these
Mm-hmm.
kinds of big we should be pay for self first to make increase the interest levels of us, and
Mm-hmm.
that is the certainty like we can hold for longer. Okay, in this
Mm-hmm.
skill to learning gradually and catching the vocabulary, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
Naeem.
according to me, yeah.
Absolutely, indeed, I totally agree with you. And one point I would like to add on here, intonation in reading. When we start reading, normally when we are reading, we cover up our sentences, vocabs, and grammatical portion. But we always
Mm.
forget about talking about the intonation. But what is intonation? Intonation means when we are going high, where we are going high. Sometimes we are going to the low. The pitch, the pitch. When we read the books a lot, that helps you to understand the logic, the abcd of intonation, right? I think I read somewhere that there was a two group, and that test was all about English. One group was given a reading portion and one group was given for the grammatical portion, and after 3 months, they've conducted a test of English, and you won't believe it, which group won. Can you guess it?
Uh, I think those people who are taken a grammatical person.
No, the people who were indulged into the reading, who were immersed into self into the reading. Because reading, when you are reading now, reading helps you the grammatical structures, right? And sentence structure, intonation, and vocabs. Reading cover all of these two things together. Because when you are going for the grammatical quotient, you are only learning for the grammar, nothing else. You
Yeah,
are
yeah,
just
yeah.
learning, yeah, you are just learning ABCD of grammar and the gravity of grammar and all that. You are not using your speaking skill over there. So
Yeah, yeah,
reading
you're right.
is essential part to level up your English, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So one
Yeah,
question
ma'am.
is also I want to ask you,
Yeah, ma'am.
most people, are very confused with the bilingual language, right? When we speak, right, at the beginner level, they usually use bilingual language, Hindi, English mix करके बोलते हैं वो लोग.
Yeah.
Translation use करते हैं, they use the translation method. So what do
Mm.
you have to say about this translation part? Is it important? If yes, then why? If it is not important, then why?
Yeah, ma'am. According to me, I think doing translations, it is not good. This is
Hmm.
not important. Why? Because if you are going to translate any kinds of sentence, that is mean you are taking a lots of time to giving replies according to time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you have to distract your attention also as well.
Mm-hmm.
If
Yes.
you distracted your attention, that is mean you can't be fluent as you
Yes.
want from yourself. So
Hmm.
becoming fluent, you have to just focus particular place where you
Hmm.
want to speak only, where you have put your attention only for giving the replies according to the questions only. Okay,
Hmm.
yeah, because we are a
Commendable.
human, right? We are a human. We are not a machine, so we can equally putting our attention in a various parts of it, right?
Mm,
So
yes,
that
yes, commendable. Totally, totally well said, and I applaud for you. That translation should be eradicated because when you indulge yourself for the translation part, you always giving a full stop your fluency, your focusing, your dedication work. Go with the practical knowledge always. The
yeah,
practical knowledge comes by the speaking, right? So go with the speaking skills instead of going for the translation because in English, if you are speaking one sentence and one sentence can be delivered in different sentence, different way, isn't it?
yeah, ma'am. That is
So
mean we are focusing, we are putting
yeah.
our intention over by
Yeah.
creating a different kinds of sentence, different way,
Yes, yes, yes,
right?
absolutely. And the last option was that was what was that? Social media. We have a lot of social media, platform where we can improve our communication skills. So do you have any idea where we can go and we can improve our communication skill apart from this YouTube?
Yeah, according to me, ma'am, we can learn from many things from social media, but it's
Mm-hmm.
up to you what kinds of things we are exploring there. I think I
Mm.
have seen lots of people are just searching only for entertainment self, all
Mm.
like kinds of stuff. Many of
Yes.
them as a watching like tenses, grammar portions, right,
Mm-hmm.
and vocabulary. These are things they are watching. But
Mm-hmm.
according to me, first they should be listening as
Mm-hmm.
a speech of the people, how they are talking to each other, how they are transforming sentence according to
Mm-hmm.
their levels, right? These are
Mm-hmm.
things a requirement, especially because first they have to just increase the level of their understanding.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and the
Mm-hmm.
basic things they have to done through self, not through the on like of social media way. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. After done all
Okay.
the basic things, they
Mm.
can uh, just I hate their steps towards this kinds of field gradually.
Okay. Okay, so tell me fluency. We already talk about fluency, right? That the fluency should be come to the first part or it should go to the end of the communication, right? We need to focus on the fluency after all those habits, or we have to take it at the first level. What is your opinion on that?
According to me, if you have the experience about particular topic, there
Mm-hmm.
you can get better fluency because you will have the better understanding. That's mean
Mm-hmm.
you are able to convey your thought in better manner. And if you're
Mm.
able to convey your all the statement better, man, that is mean you have the better fluency. Why the
Mm.
people are having hesitation? Because they have a less information about
Yes.
particular topic. They are not having the appropriate explanation internally of self to expressing other people. That's why they are having hesitation. Because during conversation, they are internally addressing what kinds of sentence we should be deliver according
Mm.
to the questions. That is
Mm.
mean exploring,
Okay.
addressing appropriate sentence. That is mean you are taking time to addressing proper sentence. Obviously, you
Mm.
will have the hesitation, right?
Okay, that means fluency. If you want fluency, you should be knowledgeable person. You should have the idea of the topic, and you should have
Yeah,
the capability to generate your own ideas, right? Doesn't
yeah,
matter if you are using a fancy word, right? You can go with the easy one also. The thing is that you need to be very clear about your thought. You need to be
yeah,
very much, very much understandable. The way you are delivering your thoughts, it should be very understandable and clear,
yeah,
crystal
yeah.
clear, I would say.
Yeah. If you have
Right.
your concept is clear about any particular topic, then you can be very fluently you can mention other people's. That is mean
Okay.
fluency. Yeah, there is no certainty your journey will finish after you can be performance as you want. No, this is not certainty. Right.
Okay. So my basket is now empty. I would say I have only this much questions for you, and anything you want to ask, or we should wind up the session. I think it's 18 minutes.
Yeah, ma'am. Basically, ma'am, I am very curious the way of your like
Mhm.
how would you improve your spoken? At your home, what kinds of new idea had you been generating for longer for
I'm
English
not
communication?
stating, I'm telling you very honestly, Chandan, and I would say to cut that long story to a short, I don't have any idea. It's just that I always keep on thinking in English, right? I don't play blame game. I don't, wait for my co-learner. I don't expect anything from anybody that they will come and give me a kind of a practice, because I always keep on thinking, if you have, everybody has brain, right? Everybody has brain, and everybody have their own idea to learn that. So I have created that habit, again that habit to my brain to think in English always.
Okay, ma'am. That's a
And we
great.
always, and I think we always cook up the story, right? On daily basis we cook up the story. हम रोज कोई story बनाते हैं, and every day come with a lot of surprises. We have lot of stories to need it.
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
So this is the only way.
Thank you.
So keep practice, keep the momentum of your learning. Take care. Till then, bye bye.
Yes, ma'am. Same to you.